Did you know African gray parrots talk not just with words, but also with their body language? If your parrot fluffs up, it might just be relaxing, but if it stays fluffed for too long, it could be sick. Rapid eye pinning? Your parrot is excited or focused on something interesting. A quick tail wag? That means your feathered friend is happy and comfortable. If your African gray lowers its head, it's asking for head scratches. How sweet. Wings slightly up? It could mean excitement or that it's about to take off.